Over the next 4 weeks, Helen and Tyson will be hosting school garden markets every Tuesday afternoon from 1:30 to 3:30. Students will be able to visit the market with their 8th or 9th block class, or they can stop by after school. At the market, students will be able to purchase fresh, affordable produce grown either in the HDMS garden or the Apple Seeds and WA Teaching Farm. Each market will have a featured ingredient, and for the next 2 markets, it is radishes. HDMS East hosted a recipe contest to find a healthy and tasty radish snack, and the winners of this contest were Miss Absher's advisory with their radish and mango salad.
To prepare this recipe, you need the following ingredients: 3 to 4 radishes, 1/4 cup of fruit of your choice, a teaspoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of honey, and a couple drops of lime juice.
First, begin by gathering all your ingredients and washing your vegetables. Also, don't forget to wash your hands. Next, begin peeling and chopping out the radishes and cucumbers. You can also scrape the seeds out of the cucumbers if you would like. Once your vegetables are prepared, dice your fruit. For our tasting today, we are going to use frozen chunks of mango we thawed. You can use fresh mango or other fruit. Strawberries are also very good in this recipe.
Combine all your produce in a bowl and add the ingredients to make the dressing for your salad. 1 teaspoon olive oil and honey and a few drops of lime juice. Finally, salt and pepper to taste. Mix up all your ingredients and enjoy. Consider multiplying this recipe by 5 to make the salad for your whole family. Thank you for taking part in and supporting our work to bring fresh and healthy food to our community. We hope you will join us next time when the featured ingredient will be kale.